Come on, we can get the last points here. We need 5 more points to get to our TP. Hopefully it works out. Come on, 82.50. I really like it. Nasdaq is pushing, guys. We are one. Oh, okay, I failed one evaluation account, but 2 are close to be passed. I mean, 1 is close to be passed. 1 is already passed. 1 has $100 to be passed. I was thinking to take these 5 points to pass it on this retest, but now I'm waiting for the next possible 5 points, where I can get these 5 points. Somehow it gets so hard to get the last points to pass the evaluation. So hopefully they come right now. Come on. 5.5 points. Beautiful, beautiful trade for the moment. On ES. We're pushing. Ticking the highs right now. We're in the trade. We're trying to go long. Someone maybe commented on the chat. I don't know, because nothing is loading right now from YouTube. Nice. Come on, come on. Give us these 10 points. I was so close to get this TP on the first one. What a lucky trade. It came back too strong on me. My TP was 90. It came to 70. And look at that horrible 5-minute candle. I got stopped out in break even. Now we're on the second trade of the day. I passed 2 PAs, 2 evaluations, so from tomorrow I'm gonna have at least 3 PA back. That feels good. So I can trade my strategy. My strategy today was a beautiful retest of this level and the opening print level above. So I would have been done on the day after 15 minutes, 20 minutes on the day. Look at it, beautiful. 52, it was almost 60 points target. This ES needs a last push to take us out. beautiful red to green candle right now, and a nice push to 82.50. Would be nice to have it. Come on, Nasdaq. To be honest, Nasdaq has totally the way to go higher and higher today. He just got his kind of choppiness on the first hour and a half, 2 hours right now, but the moment it will start to break this high again, it will continue. We broke the previous high with the previous touch, and now we broke again the previous high, but not that strong to be like a liquidity grab. I think this is the break that will continue higher and higher, at least to 18,000. It's here above. My level is even further, 18,090, so we have all the space to grind higher and higher. We passed through evaluations account, so hopefully we can. I mean, I passed one. I need I need $100. Hopefully we get them on the. I just need 5 points on Nasdaq. I'm just waiting for a good opportunity to get my 5 points. I don't need to rush them. Every time you rush the last $100 is the moment that you freaking pick the top of the day and you blow the account. Oh, let me show you how I blew one account. How I blew one of the look at that. I bought long here at the beginning of the day. Usually my strategy is a 2-to-1 risk reward. The risk would have been here and got out here, so it would have been a good trade. But because I entered with the only 2 contracts, and to pass the evaluation with 2 contracts you need 75 points. I entered at 98, so my target was 73. 73 was my target, and I had it here. I did not get ticked by 2 points. This high was 71. 70 was by 3 points, and it pulled back in freaking less than 5 minutes, and I got stopped out. So the next one, I decided, okay, I like the retest of the levels. I'm gonna go long with this time with 3 contracts. So if it comes back here, I'm gonna get filled and I will be fine. And that's what happened. That's why I have a 3,000 on one account. And in the other one, I decided, I was like, okay, all consolidation, 1, 2, 3 minutes, 5 minutes candle. I was like, okay, if it breaks the previous one, we might have the push. And that's what happened. I entered with 10 minutes and I got there, but unfortunately I got out like a stupid guy 1 point before the TP. So I need these 100 points now to pass this challenge. Let's go back to micros where I have my levels. The moment I have the PAs, I don't trade minis anymore on the Nasdaq. It's too dangerous. It's too much. People that traded minis, they scalp. I don't scalp. I want to enter on a 5 minutes green candle or red candle as a confirmation. So for example, this one as a confirmation is a green candle for me of the support. This is a support level for me. So what happened is that we opened, we came back below, but then we closed above the level, and the opening print level is slightly just above. So usually I like to enter at the break of the 5 minutes candle. Here it broke right away, and 93 to the local low is say 63. That is 30 points as a stop loss. So it's not a scalp anymore on that case. When you have a 30 point stop loss and aim for 60 points target, then you are a day trading. It happened that this trade would have closed very quick. So it's a nice lesson. It's a nice for me because I feel that my levels are working. The only things matters now is my execution. That needs really to be spot on. Also this retest, look at this beautiful retest. Retest the print level. Look at that, this nice, another beautiful 2-to-1 risk reward on the retest of the opening print level. Especially you have to look that why this level below the preprint level is more important. It's because if I zoom on the hour candle, we have this high, this high, this retest, this retest, this high again. So when it broke and came back and retested, that is a beautiful break retest on the hour candle. You see it? This is a beautiful break of the level and retest of the level. So you can really enter long. And that's why when I say there is nothing above, is because these locals, these highs here is 18,023, but these highs were made on pre-market. And when they're made in pre-market, their highs made in pre-market don't have the same importance, the same strength as highs and lows created during the New York session. So this high has been created on pre-market. So for me, I don't care. It's for my evaluations. So when I look at levels that are this orange line, are the levels coming only from the New York session, because I believe they are the one that weight more. They are more important and they have more strength. What's up, Tyler? Long time no see, man. Every day I disappear and I come back, I disappear and I come back. But we're back, Tyler. How are you? How's it going? Hope it's going great for you. Yeah, man. And it has been difficult month what I passed, because I worked full time to cover my brother. Then I got very sick as well. So it was a quite difficult time. And as well, then that reflected my trading. You know better than me that when you're not 100% mentally, you really go back on the bad path of trading. Sanso, what's up, Sanso? Come stai? Grazie per il commento. I wanted to open the live before, but it was really struggling the connection. So I was like, I'm not gonna push the live stream and block my Ninja Trader connection. So okay, red candle on 10 minutes chart here. It's a good red candle. It's not that strong, still above these highs, so we might get the next push, hopefully. The stop loss is anyway below these lows, so we are all cruising here. No, Tyler, no, unfortunately not yet. I did not yet make the second withdrawal, and I was even close to it. I think I was 700 from it, and January was horrible. My execution in January was perfect, but the strategy was literally not giving me anything. It was giving me red rates. I had 8-9 consecutive red rates. I was executing to the best, but the strategy was not really turning on my side. Still France, Sanso, still France, still here cruising. I'm here helping my brothers, and in the meantime I'm trading. So for the moment I'm still here, brother. Soon I hope to come in Italy and visit you guys. Ah, okay, I understood, Tyler. I understood. It makes sense, because I really understand what you feel, because before you might trade because you think, oh, there is a support, or there is these things, but there is no strict rules on the fact of your entry and exit matter. You don't have a proper rules around your entries and your exit. That hurts, because it means you were trading without having the proper edge, as you said, to beat the market. That's yeah, and I get you. Text me in Instagram, Tyler. Text me in Instagram. My Discord will open soon. I will put you in, so we chat every day. I'm not gonna be there teaching anything, but we're gonna there to support each others, to help each others, push each others, and supporting, helping each others on good behavior to become profitable trader. You know what, if you get what I mean. If you are there gambling as fuck, then we're gonna tell you, yo man, keep it straight. You're not doing what you have to do. You have to keep following your rules, respect your profit target, respect your stop loss. So at least we're gonna push you on that direction. I think many people that struggles, they really need this to become profitable, is that they need just a little help from others. Come on, yes, he's trying to push right now and break this high at 79.50. The moment it breaks it, we might get a nice acceleration. Also, this time Nasdaq did not pull back strong. After once pull back strong, second pull back strong, the third time is not happening. So this time might be the real time that is gonna make new highs and continue higher and higher. Nice, yes, it's breaking right now. Come on, we can get it. We can get this trade. And I think Tyler. So I know people. I knew some people that have an edge that is very simple, literally simple, the simplest things ever, and it works out for them. And other people have an edge that is much more difficult to follow and needs more learning, more practice. But at the end, no matter what is gonna be for you, futures or small caps, if you go to small caps or whatever, you will end up fighting the same demons you were fighting before. So if the demons before were the execution was not there, you were playing too big sides, or you were not following your max loss, your other things, you will end up with the same demons again, no matter what. It's a matter, in the end, it's a matter of understanding where you do the mistake instead of where the edge does not work or stuff like that. Because many times it comes to that. Why do you think I have an edge? It's more on backtesting. You backtest it and you try to replicate the same entry hundreds of times, and you see if it works in the long backtesting, and then you do some forward testing. For example, I backtested that this is an example. This is another possible for me. That is the strategy I'm working out right now. It's not my final one, but it's what I want. For example, this is a level that comes from strict following on the previous days in the market. So this level is accurate to the dot. So it's not, I cannot draw it a bit lower, a bit higher. That level is perfect on the tick. So this helps me to not have strange levels like other people that they say, okay, this is my area. No, I want my level to be strict. So after that, what I want is if a level gets broken and retested, like that, for example, right now you see it broke, it retests the level. When the moment I see a 5 minute candle close above the level, I will enter on the break of the 5 minutes candle that closed above. So for example, in this case here, it broke above. I use the stop loss, the local stop loss, and I go for a 2-to-1 risk reward. Again, it broke. This is the opening print level. This is another kind of level for me. It touched, okay, so it broke, come back, retested. 5 minutes candle, did not break here. It probably next 5 minutes candle broke. So I'm gonna put my entry above it. and stop loss on below the local one. Shoot one target, and that's it. And it's then a matter of repeating, retesting until it works. So we got only 1.5 points before getting TP. That hurts. Hopefully we get the next push and we don't get liquidated because of this Nasdaq. 81.50. This level, oh, it's a bit hard now to put it on this one. If you come to, do you know my Instagram? If you text me there, I will help you on the level side that I use. Like this level is coming from there as well, and this level is coming as well from there. And I will show you how this level works. If you text me in, if you have my Instagram, text me there. I will be happy to help you on that. Then it's really a matter when you have an age. It's a really small things compared to what you miss to become profitable on it. Because have an edge means nothing if you're not able to execute it to the best. And that's one realization it came to me in the last period, is that before I was like, oh, beautiful. I blew one account in the last weeks because of that. I was using this strategy, and if I had used my strategy, like it happened 1 week. I remember like that 1 week, I could have had green trade every day and close it like that. I end up with 4 red days and 1 small green one. Why? Because every time I was entering, my mind was entering in a mindset of that it knows better what is gonna happen when you don't know shit. The moment I take a trade, I don't know where it's gonna go, green or red, I don't know, but I know that I have to execute it to the best. And instead, my mind, for example, I was entering along here, I was getting a little push, come back, I was like, oof, this looks like it's coming down because it's breaking this candle, or it's breaking this support. Oh, I entered too early, why I waited here, why you didn't... You know, you start to speak against your strategy when you don't know anything about outcome of the futures. You don't really know anything. The only things you know is that if you follow these steps, after 100 trades, you should be green. And also, guys, if you are new here and you want to use a discount for Apex, you can use my discount here, is on the top. It will help me. Instead of using big YouTubers code, you can use the code of a little YouTuber. I don't get thousands of dollars from Apex like Patrick or Nutty Trader or many other traders. Alpine, they have hundreds of views, thousands of views, so they get a salary from affiliate people. So if you help small YouTubers, it's even better. I mean, Nutty Trader, for example, he doesn't make anything from trading, or he's fighting for it. I mean, and I respect all that. Definitely he makes a salary from affiliate people. Yeah, man. I know, for example, a Nutty Trader or Alpine or other people, they make a salary from affiliate. Because if you think about it, they have thousands of people watching them and anything. If each one of them bought one account of 1,000 people, $5 for each person of affiliate, that is 5K. As is already only 5K with one purchase. And you have to think about that many people buys 5, 10, 15, 20 accounts, 50 accounts. So they really make a good money from this. Come on, this is this yes is gonna push or is gonna give us this fake up 6 points. We need these 10 points and I will be happy. That's such. Nasdaq is still here struggling on the highs. But Tyler, don't really don't get discouraged on the fact that you failed. It's normal. Just on the next one that you will do, have, like you said, have an edge. That's one. Two, try to execute the edge to your best every day and don't think about the PNL. Your PNL does not matter how it ends. Oh, I have, yeah, back tested hundreds of trades. For example, in one strategy here on ES, I back tested, I really don't know. I back tested, I think at least 1 month, 1 year. So 1 year, it's 2 trades per day. Because that is my strategy, is 2 trades per day. 1 year, make it like around 250 days, trading days, just to remove it. That is 500 trades. Just take an Excel file, take an Excel file, an empty Excel file, and put your entry. Put your entry, your exit, how many points you gained, how many points you lost in each trade. If you follow the very systematical way, and then just keep it going until you have enough number of trades that you can define as a backtest. It should be at least some hundreds of trades, should be a minimum. I don't know if, for example, I backtested an opening print on Nasdaq, for example. The strategy is simple as that. I go to the 10 minutes chart. Oh, and yeah, good luck, man. Thank you for coming. Thank you, appreciate, man. Good luck with that, and come back. Text me in Instagram. Text me in Instagram, and I will tell you about the levels. I will help you on that. Easy. We'll start making money. Jamal, cosa combini? Dovresti essere in pizzeria. Come on, last push. Last push. It is 2.5 points on ES. It's coming to get us 2.5 points. We want this 2.5 points and we are golden. We need also 5 points on. We need also 5 points on Nasdaq on one account to pass it. But I wish we have like a push before going on long. What I would love is puff. Is this one a nice push? Come back, retest these areas here, and then I will look to get 5 points to the long side, and I will be golden. But now it's not happening. It's still making so much trouble to pass these 780. No, was 980. The 18,000 is there above. This is a kind of flag. Hopefully we get some liquid people getting stopped out here, and it cruises higher. I think also today Nat is doing very good. He's up 580. It's amazing. He's as well scalping the way Alpine does now. So he has a larger stop loss and small profit target. The way Alpine trades, it's not easy at all. So he says it as well. The way he scalps, it's not easy at all. So you have to be careful that you might get destroyed on his way of trading, because the moment you manage to tick the high and you don't get filled, you really are gonna blow the account. But Alpine has an amazing opening range break that is insane good, and I still don't get it. How the heck he has it that good? So for example, today that guy, I think is up again. Wow, what a pullback. Oh my god, we're back in break even? What the heck? Back in break even. What a pullback. We were up 6 points, 7 points, and now we are back at break even. Wow. That hurts. 8 points? Yeah, I was 9 points in profit. It's a very slow grind higher after the massive push at the beginning on ES. Nasdaq instead made a massive push, but as well massive pullback. Hopefully this is just a fake for people to sell, and then it's gonna go higher. But our stop loss is there, so it's fine. Our stop loss is good. Up 2 points and a half. I have a 100k funded account. I traded very well until I passed the demo phases, but now I can't manage my psychology. In my country, the minimum wage is close to $500, and I'm under a lot of stress when managing such big money. Okay, that makes sense at all. That makes sense. How many contracts do you play usually? How many contracts? Especially you play minis or macros? That makes a big difference. How many contracts? Gully big. You should definitely play a number of contracts that is suitable for your mental state. You have to take this 100k account. 100k means nothing. How much is the drawdown on the 100k? 100k if it's with Apex. Apex, you have 3000 drawdown. Doesn't really make sense to buy that 100 account. Why you buy that one? You have a 3k drawdown with 100k, and you're paying for more money when you can get the same with almost the same with the 50k. But apart that, you have a 3k drawdown. I set my stop loss, my stop level at 250. Not futures. Okay. Okay, so your trade is every trade for you. You have a $250 stop loss. I would say that if that is too much for your mental state, just decrease your size. Just go for $125 stop loss. So in this case, what can happen is that you need 20 consecutive red trades. 20 consecutive red trades to blow up an account. As is, wait, I need to. Okay, my brother came because he got filled on the long here because he didn't manage to get the profit target. He put it at 81.70, something like that. He got lucky. But back to the conversation. Sorry, is have an amount that is for your meta. And I tell you this. This is an example. A few weeks ago, I had this account where I was playing. I was like, I'm gonna play 5 macros on Nasdaq. And with 5 macros, what does it mean? That each point is $10. So sometimes I was losing 30 points. 30 points is $300. And I had to make 600. And after like 2 or 3 or 4 consecutive losses, I was getting to 1K of 1.2K of drawdown. That is quite a lot for me to handle on that moment. And I end up blowing the account. And that's the reason why one of these accounts here tomorrow I'm gonna play with 2 free macros when I'm gonna trade my strategy, because 2 free macros is totally enough to make money. With for example, my 60 points today as a target, 60 points is $120 with 1 macro, is $240 with 2, is $360 with 3 macros. Totally enough. $360 on one day, trading for 50 minutes. Fuck yeah. If you know how to pass, if you know you have an edge, if you know you have rules to follow to trades, then you're golden, man. Oh my god, I hope I don't get stopped out in this trade. That will suck. My god. What the heck? I was like really 1 point to get filled. But I like that this time Nasdaq is not pulling back strong as before. So hopefully this is just a liquidity grab for a push higher. This Patrick is passing a challenge every day, guys. Somehow, every time he puts a video about making 9K, 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 and every time when it's a 9K, means he's trying to pass a challenge. So means, and for what I remember, he had 20 PA accounts. So I don't understand why he's passing so many challenges if it's not blowing them up. That guy's insane, by the way. Playing so many contracts. You need some balls as well to play so many contracts on one shot. Still holding right now. Oh, I not this 600 to pay out. Is almost there to get payout, guys. Nutty trader, $600. Come on, it's pushing. This thing is bouncing again on my entry. We should get it. We should get it. Come on. This trade is gonna probably take a long day. Oh, I'm still recording my screen. Oh, I have to delete that video. It's too big. That video I was recording my screen, but that now is a huge video. Let me see. That's it's 350 mega. I'm gonna delete it. Come on. Come on, yes, don't leave us here. 90% discount, guys, with Apex, so you can get a 50k account with $16. $16. That's nothing compared to the other prop firms. You're winning, son. Man, no, not at all, man. You captain. I'm freaking back breaking. I was 9 points in profit on this trade. What the heck? Man, I was 1 point to profit target, and now I'm gonna get stopped out. Captain Rice, Price, Captain Rice, Captain Price. Yeah. How is it going for you today? I hope it's going well for you today, at least. We need some dark humor. Imagine that Epic's payment today failed. It crashed because of how many people were buying challenges with the 90% discount. It's insane how much money they made. Like thousands of challenges. What's up, Max? What's up? Yeah, man, so many people were buying challenges today that the payment system crashed on Apex website. And if you buy them, I will appreciate if you use my code. Then it's up to you. And I appreciate. Thank you. Oh, are we gonna get stopped out, or we're gonna get this trade? What the heck? And we need 5 points on this as well on this freaking account to pass the challenge. I need 5 points with 1 mini. What is that account? Is number 7. 100. Imagine look how many challenges about. 107 challenges. 107 challenges. Multiply for an average of $30. That is 3.3k. What the heck? What the heck? Your tower went down. It's like a World War III situation. I'm like, day is rigged. Yeah, man. When something like that happens, like you think it's everything is against you. I've been waiting all day to get filled at 50, 66. That's my stop loss, please, man. Let's don't get filled. You can get filled after my TP gets hit, Max. you have your fill below my stop loss. Freaking hell. But so you use your cell phone to trade instead of Wi-Fi or connect or Fever or Fiverr. Fever. Yeah, please, Max. Yeah, please, just let me get my TP, and I would be happy to go for your entry. Yeah. Especially already rhythmic sometimes is a pain in the ass. So if you add as well connection problem from your side, it's a mess. It's totally a mess. Yeah, I get it. I'm in Fiber as well, but even with that one, sometimes it's rhythmic. It can give you a pain. Oh, finally we're breaking the previous candle. Oh, finally, well, by one tick, but we're we're not. Yes, we are above. Nice. I see. What do you mean with that? What do you mean with your last comment? I don't get it. Ah, come on, push, 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 push. Get it now. We want our 10 TP. We want our profit target. I will give you some rap lesson, guys. Rap lesson. Eminem can get lesson from me. Okay, I like this Nasdaq. I like this, yes. I like the 5 minute candle on Nasdaq. That's a beautiful 5 minute candle. Oh, we need 5 points. Wait, I'm trying to. I was gonna do like a what I watch app today anyway for like traders, so they get like compass style and a market direction maybe. You mean like you want to create an application for Apple Watch for traders? I swear to you, if you create an application, oh, okay. So what is the idea, if you can say it? For what is the idea of the application to help traders? Just say it so I can steal it. Say it now. Please, I want to buy it now. I'm gonna steal it, create it my own. Tomorrow you're gonna see the next live iWatch Apple for traders. How to become profitable. So, but what is the idea? Is like, what does it do, the application? How it helps a trader? You mean to create orders? I got direction style like oh, okay. So it's like a, okay, so it gives you like a, oh, okay, so it gives you like a kind of indicator bias direction. Okay. If you Yeah, if you become millionaire because of it, just please come back here and donate money to my bank account. I would be happy to use it. I have my Apple Watch here. I mean, it's not a new Apple Watch, but it's the number, I think it's the Series 3. I mean, it still works perfectly, to be honest. I only used it for running. Let me see, I'm trying to look for what is the version of this about. Apple Watch model whatever. I don't get it. What is it? I think it's Series 3, but I'm not sure. 6 is one of the last one, I believe. Wait, I'm gonna Google this one. Apple Watch A1978. I have the GPS as well. What series was A1? Series 4. Okay. My Apple Watch is Series 4. But I have GPS. I don't have cellular, but I mean it can connect to Wi-Fi. And I should definitely go for a run later. Come on, can we get this pushed after freaking retesting our level? My god. Is this the moment we're gonna get filled on our PA account? Please give us these 10 points. 10 points. 10 points. 10 points. 10 points. Again, now Nasdaq's trying to break this freaking resistance. Break it right now. I need some water. Okay, I'm coming back with a drink. Okay, not TP hit. Captain, you're deleting. Okay, you're deleting all the. You're deleting all the chat. You are protecting your idea, and I give you right on that. You're. Did you start developing it? I got a snack. Okay, sorry. That's nice. When you need a tester, let me know, and I will be happy to test it for you as well. The reason is because I'm a mobile developer. I don't like it to do it, honestly. I don't like it, so that's why I left. But I have 3 years in mobile development, React Native. Do you work for a company as well, Captain. Man, I did developing for 3 years, but man, I hated it. I freaking hated it. Sometimes when that one bug is there for days and you don't know where the fuck is that bug is coming out, man, I wanted to kill myself sometimes. I get it. Yeah, I get it. So you work just for yourself. That's nice. Yeah, man. I had once an application for Android, and I fucked it up, but I managed to reach like 40,000 download. If the application helps, like in your case, it can help traders, and it can help them, become profitable. Definitely, you will get downloads like nothing, because the comments turn fast when it's a good thing. The voice goes fast around. The fact if, for example, a trader starts to use your application and it's like, oh, this one is helping me to have a bias on the day, helping me to decide direction with my strategy. I'm becoming more profitable. So definitely, man, push it. Push it, sell it, or give it for free. Yeah, that is nice. That is honestly that is nice. For my point, if the moment you make it happen, my friend, I would be happy as well to download it. Hopefully, it works on Series 4. But yeah. The important is always right. Oh man, that Alpine is making money from views. 500 people watching. What the heck? Making so much money. He managed to steal all the views from Nutty Trader. Man, this trader is not gonna finish that quick. Oh my god, I stopped again to oh my god. I might end my stream right now so I can go and work out. I mean, this is my stop loss and my TP, so we'll see later. I might get filled, not filled, I don't know, but for the moment it's cruising there in the middle. But I need these 5 points as well. It's lunch. Yeah, for me it's almost dinner as well. It's 6 p.m. for me. I would love to play these 5 points, but really these guys, I really don't know where to get these 5 points right now. I don't want to rush them. It's horrible when you YOLO and then you still have a few dollars before passing the challenge. These $50, they become like a pain in the ass to take. Come on, Nasdaq, it really doesn't want to break that. Drawing tools, we have region here, doesn't want to break this. what I like is that we have a nice pullback here. So is one tick, second tick, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever ticks, another tick. So means that this level is becoming weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker, and we're gonna break it soon. It's just a matter of time. Come on. This market doesn't want to really provide us with anything today. Just suffering and suffering. Okay, nice red to green candle on yes, same on Nasdaq. Might be the push to really break the highs. Can we get it? Can we freaking get these 5 points? This I mean, no, even less. What, 3 points? Come on, Nasdaq is breaking right now. Come on, we need a strong break. Until now, every time has broken the previous high has been just for like a few points, and that's all on Nasdaq. Such annoying, and it's still happening again right now. But this time, we hopefully to keep this level as a support, and we continue higher. Come on, use all these as a support. It sucks because it's getting slower right now. Lunchtime, like Captain said, for a New York session. So the markets will start to get slower now until the last hour of the day. So we might really be stuck on this trade for a bit. And this push is not enough right now, but hopefully it is. Okay, we're getting the push. I am not even looking. Come on, please. Hello, guy, man. What's up, my brother? How are you? You are now live to watch my TP getting hit or not? Come on, man. What the heck? The guy, push with me. Push with me. Push with me. We need this point on yes. Please. Market, give me this trade. Give it to me. I'm good if this one hits TP. By 0.50. Are we gonna get filled? Come on. It doesn't want. Simply because this is the strategy. If for example, this is my TP, okay, is 82.50, and I entered on this candle here. Oh, it does not show it. It does not show it. I will show you an example. This is a good example of that break even. If I entered here, it went up to 1 point in take profit, moved my stop loss to break even, I would have getting stopped out in break even here, and now see it again go up to my TP, hopefully. So the break even might work, but it's not in this strategy because I've not backtested it on that way. The moment one day I backtested it on that way, definitely I will understand, but fucking hell, for 0.50. What a pain. For 0.50 we did not get filled. No, but it makes sense. No, as well I did not have my the entry, so you didn't know where I entered, so it makes sense. But yeah, that is the reason. But if I had a strategy like the strategy I use on Nasdaq, I move my stop loss in break even, and I show you and I show you an example thereof today. I entered long here, my stop loss is here below, and for example in this trade I move my stop loss in break even when I reached 1-to-1, and my friend, it does not move stop loss in break even, so it's a different way. I got stopped out, he did not get stopped out, and he took his TP. That's unfortunate for me, very good for him. Come on, we can get this TP. Okay, still trying to push again. If you're thinking to buy an Apex challenge, guys, use my code, please. This will help me to keep going with these lives and make some videos for you. You have a 90% off. 90% off with this code. This code here. Here, GX. Man, I hate it. Look at that. You're right. I'm like, why it didn't make this candle like above my my take profit, not just below it. Now it's still there. Please give us TP. Please, please push. Give us this 0.50. Give it to us. Give it to us. 22.
Order filled.
Finally, we got filled. Oh, $487 fine on the PA account. Ah, what a suffering.
Order
Let's
canceled.
go. Yeah, fine. Let's go, Max. Max, you can get your entry right now. 66. Now I will give you your 66. Now I will give you your 66. Beautiful, guys. Now I will give you your 60. What is your 66 here? Freaking head. Ah. I was suffering there. We suffered quite a bit. Ooh, what? Open. So, but Max, what is your 66? Is your TP? No, sorry. Is your entry long or your entry short? By limit entry, yeah, I see your point. Yeah, you got really unlucky because it came to 67.50, 66.75 if you think about this first candle here, but not that 66. That's unlucky, but it happens. You're gonna miss trades on other days as well. So this is not gonna be the last one you miss them, but unfortunately, it is what it is. Yeah, this is the moment you get FOMO, right? Because you know you are in the right side, but you didn't get it, and then I don't know. You get your FOMO, you enter here long because you missed it, then you get stepped out, then you start to do some bullshit. So execution is what matters in the end. So good job for waiting. You have to be good with yourself and be like, I followed my plan, and my plan was entering a 66. It did not happen. Peace and love. I did not enter anyone else. Good job. Oof. Man, yeah. Yeah, I get it. FOMO days are over. I hope, yeah, I understand that feeling of I'm a disciplined trader. I'm not doing this bullshit anymore. Man, text me in Discord, Max. Discord. Text me in Instagram. I will add you in the next days on my Discord if you want. It's gonna be a very simple Discord where we chat and we help each other's on emotional side. No bullshit about you copy trade or stuff like that, because each one of us has a different strategy, but help each other's mentally. I think I'm gonna call it as well. I'm gonna close the live. Man, thank you, Max. Thank you, Guy, man. Thank you, Captain Price. Thank you. Tyler as well. Thank you, Gublik. Thank you, Sanso, for coming, guys. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your day and make money. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Next live stream.